Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Girlie Parkon. My height is 157. My weight is 57. I'm married. I have two kids, 17 and 7 years old. I have two brothers and two sisters. I'm number three in my family. I have 10 years of experience in Singapore. I'm good in cooking, cleaning, ironing, take care of baby, take care of children, take care of elderly, and take care of bedridden. I can I can accept all kinds of job. I'm agree one of day a month. I will I will promise to do work hard, loyalty, honesty, and follow your instruction. I'm looking forward to work with your family because I need to support my family also. Thank you, ma'am and sir.